guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Adaesha, Ayanna, but you can call me Goddess. So in today's video, I'm going to be meal prepping with you guys as someone who is gaining and maintaining her weight. Okay, so I've been on this weight gain journey for a while, and there's definitely been some ups and some downs, and when I talk about the downs, I mean in me losing weight. So essentially, I'm going to just be meal prepping in this video. So the whole reason, the entire purpose of meal prepping is so that I can have meals that's readily available for me to eat at all times, so that I don't have to try to look for food when I'm hungry, thus causing me to not eat. Because it's like when you're hungry and you can't find something to eat, you end up not eating, and then that's how a cycle starts, to be just not eating, and then that's how you are 10 pounds down fighting for your life. So for me, to prevent that from happening, meal prepping is the solution. Like, once I meal prep for the week and I have my meals, your girl be eating. Like, I don't be missing no meals because I have meals readily available to eat. So when it's breakfast time, I already have breakfast. When it's lunch, I already have a lunch. I already have a dinner. You know, I don't have to necessarily like order it or look for it. I hope I did not say that too fast. Are you still with me? But yes, so this is my formula for meal prepping. Two proteins plus 2 sides equals 10 meal combinations. So for me this week, I'm using ground beef and I'm using chicken breast. So I'm preparing my ground beef in a meatloaf because I love meatloaf, and honestly meatloaf is so easy to make. Like, I like to make meals that set it and forget it. Basically, when I say set it and forget it, I mean like you just put it in the oven and you come back to it and it's done. So that's the type of meals we are making today. We're making some baked chicken breast and we're making some ground beef, and you bake ground beef. So yeah. And as for the sides, I'm making mashed potatoes and I'm making some rice. So obviously the ground beef will be with the mashed potatoes, and then I'll have some chicken breast with rice, and then I'll have some chicken breast with mashed potatoes. I already have 3 different meals right there. I have chicken breast and mashed potatoes, I have chicken breast and rice, and then I have meatloaf and mashed potatoes. That will last me for the next 5 days. 5 to 6 days, Monday through Friday and Monday through Saturdays. Sometimes I freestyle. On Saturdays I might eat out. And as for my vegetables, I will be making some carrots and peas. I'm using canned carrots and peas. Usually I would try to buy the fresh ones, but I did not find it in the stores this week. And then I'll be making some broccoli. So yes, stay tuned. I already have my oven on preheating. And yeah, let's get into this video. Also, here is a tip that I do that makes meal prepping easy for me. Go to the store the day before or 2 days before and buy and shop. If you try to cook and shop on the same day, you are going to feel very tired, burnt out, and annoyed because it's just so much. So what I did was, yesterday I went to the grocery store and I shopped, and I came home and I prepped all my meats. I prepped the chicken breast and I prepped the meatloaf, meaning that I cleaned and I seasoned them. So when you guys see me doing it, you're going to see that those meats are already prepared. All I have to do is literally just put them in the oven. That is what makes your meal prepping easier, when you already have this stuff prepared instead of having to do it all the same day. Because trust me, when I have to do it all the same day, I feel very exhausted, annoyed, and tired. So take it from me, if you can go to the grocery store the day before or the night before or a different day than you have to cook, that would be the best thing. And if you can even squeeze in cleaning and seasoning your meat that same day that you buy the groceries, chef's kiss. Because guess what, the day you have to cook, all you have to do is just take it out the fridge and prepare them. And then guess what, when you season your meats the day before or even 2 days before, we know it tastes really, really good. But anyways, let's get into this video. I've been talking a lot. Yeah. So let me go to the fridge. So I'm going to show you guys. Right here is my chicken breast and this is my meatloaf. It smells so good. And then this is how my ground beef look. Alright guys, so these are my meats. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a pan and I'm going to put them in the pan. This is for my meatloaf. We need gloves. We need gloves because I'm not touching no meatloaf with my own hand. I just feel like it's just messy. Like, why would you wanna, you know, do that? Alright guys, so now it's time to make my mashed potatoes. I'm trying to figure out if I should make the rice first or mashed potatoes. I'm gonna make the rice first. just finished peeling the potatoes, so what I'm basically just going to do is just cut them up a little, like cut them in half, and then put them inside of the pot. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm finally finished cooking my meals, so basically what I'm about to do is just pour them in my bowls. Yay! It is 4 o'clock right now. I started around 1, so it took me about 3 hours to complete it. It took me about 3 hours to complete this, so yeah. Guys, thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. I am finally finished. I'm a little hot because I've been in the kitchen and like all the ring lights and stuff just added more heat, but I'm done. All my meals. Thank you guys so much for staying to the end of this video. We made it. I made it. You made it. And yes, so if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I will see you in my next video. Ciao.